everyone. Hope you all are healthy and fine. So students, welcome for the today's class. As you all know students, we have completed our chapter 1 in the previous classes, right? So in today's class, we are starting with the new chapter, right? So today we are starting with the new chapter, that is chapter 2, part 1 and subtraction, right? So today we are starting with the chapter subtraction part 1. Okay students, so watch this video very well and understand the exercises, right? So my dear students, before starting the chapter, let us understand one example, right? Students, as you can see what I am holding, yes, these are the different pencils here, right? So for example, I have 6 pencils. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right students, I am having 6 pencils. Right? Now for suppose students, I am distributing these pencils among you only. Right? For suppose, I am having 6 pencils and I have distributed 3 pencils. मैंने 3 pencils बांट दी. Okay, so how many are remaining with me? Yes. How many are remaining? 3. I am having 6 pencils and I am distributing, right, 3 pencils. Okay, so how many are remaining with me? 3. Right students? Here what I have done, मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे? I was having 6 pencils. मेरे पास 6 pencils थी. उनमें से 3 pencils मैंने बांट दी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दी. तो 6 में से मैंने क्या माइनस किया स्टूडेंट्स? 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Right? See, as you can see here, 6 pencils are there. Right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have distributed 3. Then how many are remaining? 3. Right? So students, here I have subtract 6 minus 3, right? मैंने subtraction किया 3 को किस में से? 6 में से, right? So students, in the previous class, that is in your standard 1, you have understood about this chapter, right? But that was of 1 digit, okay? So in today's class, we are starting with the 2-digit number, right? So in today's class, we will understand about the subtraction of 2-digit number, right? We will start our chapter with the exercise 1, subtraction of 2-digit number without borrow. Okay students, in the addition chapter we were carrying. Okay, now in this subtraction chapter we have to borrow, right? Borrow and without borrow. Students, slowly you will understand what is without borrow and what is with borrow. So in our today's class, that is exercise 1 and 2, we will understand about the subtraction of 2-digit number without borrow. Okay, so students, take out your maths notebook. Okay, first of all, you understand the exercise. Then you have to write down this in your maths notebook, new page, right? So, take out your maths notebook and pencil rubber also, as you have to write down the exercise in your maths notebook. Okay. Now students, here is the exercise 1, right? Subtraction of 2-digit number without borrow. As I told you students, we are starting with the new chapter and today we are going to understand about the subtraction of 2-digit number without borrow, right? So students, before starting this exercise, right, let us understand one example of this subtraction of 2-digit number, right? Right now you don't have to write this example in your notebook. Okay, I will tell you when you have to write down this in your maths notebook, right? So first of all, we will understand about the example, right? First of all, I am writing your example. Okay, example. This you don't have to write in your maths notebook. You first of all understand this. Okay. So students, in the addition chapter, we have done the addition with the places, right? Like ones, tens and hundreds, right? So So we were using the place value also. So in this exercise also, in this chapter also, we will take the help of place values. Okay, so first of all, this is the exercise of 2-digit number, right? So tens and ones, right? Ones and tens. Okay, so for suppose example is 56 minus, this is subtraction also and minus also. In the addition chapter, we were using the plus sign, right? So this is the sign of subtraction. We can say minus also, right? So 56 minus 23, right? 56 minus 23. Okay, so now let us just find out the answer, right? So students, 6 minus 3, right? We will start from the ones place. हम कहाँ से start करेंगे? Ones place से. Okay, so ones place में कौन से numbers हैं? 6, 3. So first of all, we will subtract 3 from 6. 6 minus 3. Okay, so now students, आप फिंगर नहीं यूज करोगे, आपको जो मैंने एडिशन में मेथड बताया था वही आप यूज करेंगे. ऐसे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, राइट? क्या है डिजिट? 6. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अब 6 में से 3 कट करना है. 6 में से 1, 2, 3 कट करना है. तो क्या बच जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? 1, 2, 3. 6 में से 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, सो योर आंसर विल बी 3. Okay? And so now ones place is over. Now we will continue with the tens place. So on the tens place, 5 and 2 are there. Okay, so we have to subtract this 2 from 5. So 5 minus 2. Okay, students. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from this 5 we have to subtract 2, right? So 1 and 2 are cut. So what is remaining? 1, 2, 3. How much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, right? So 5 minus 2 is 3. So our final answer is 33, right? On the ones place, 6 and 3 are there. 6 minus 3 is 3. And on the tens place, 5 minus 2 is there. So 5 minus 2 is also 3, right? So students, this is all about the subtraction of 2-digit number, right? This is all about the subtraction of 2-digit number. Now let us understand one more example, okay? Where 0 is there, okay? हम 0 भी आएगा, हमें उससे भी subtract करना है. So how we will solve? Okay, so let us understand that example. Okay, so now 78 minus 2. So here students, another example, right? The second one. 78 minus 2, right? Not 20, it is 2. Okay, 0 and 2. So 78 minus 2. Now, from where we will start? We will start from the ones place. हम कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? Ones place से, right? So ones place पे 8 and 2 are there. Okay, so 8 minus 2. Okay, 8 में से हमें क्या minus करना है? 2. So students, again use your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 में से हमें क्या माइनस करना है? 2. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स 8 में से आप 2 कट कर दो, तो आप कहाँ से काउंट करोगे? 3 से भी काउंट कर सकते हो. ये दूसरा मेथड है कि 8 में से हमने 2 माइनस किया, राइट? सो अभी 3 से काउंट करेंगे. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो 8 में से जब आप 2 माइनस करोगे तो आंसर विल बी 6, राइट? 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, so once again we will do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 में से 2 कट कर दो, 1 2, तो क्या बचेगा 1 2 3 4 5 6. दिस इज द फर्स्ट मेथड. अनदर मेथड इज 8 में से 2 कट हो गए, 1 and 2 कट हो गए, सो हम कहां से काउंट करेंगे 3 से. सो 3 4 5 6 7 8, राइट. सो 6 बचा, 8 में से 2 माइनस किया तो 6 बचा, right. Now students, on the tens place, right, on the tens place 7 and 0 are there. Tens place पे 7 है और 0 भी है. Okay, so students, for example 2 minus 0, मैंने 0 को 2 में से माइनस किया, so 2 minus 0 is the number itself. कौन सा नंबर 2. Like this only 7 minus 0. Okay, so 7 में से 0 कट करना है. Students, कुछ भी नहीं है, 0 यानी कि कुछ भी नहीं है. So 7 minus 0 will be that number itself. ये नंबर क्या है 7. So आंसर क्या आएगा हमारा स्टूडेंट्स 76, right. 7 में से 0 is nothing here. Okay, so कुछ भी नहीं है, तो अगर 7 को 0 में से माइनस कर देगा आंसर क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट्स 7. Okay, so here we have understood 2 examples of this subtraction of 2-digit number, right. Now we will start our exercise 1. Okay, so now this you have to copy. This examples you don't have to copy in your maths notebook. Okay. So now students, open your maths notebook, take out the new page and you have to write down the date from the PDF. आपको date PDF में से देख के लिखनी है, right? And on the new page, what you will write? You will write down chapter 2, right? Chapter 2 and subtraction, right? Chapter 2 subtraction. We will start with the exercise 1. Okay, so what is the heading? Subtraction of 2-digit number, right? Heading is subtraction of 2-digit number without borrow. Okay students, in this subtraction chapter we have to borrow sometimes, right? So this exercise is without borrow. आपको यहाँ पे कुछ भी borrow नहीं करना है. Now students, you might be thinking, मैम बोल रही है borrow करना है, कैसे पता चलेगा? You will understand this. You will understand this in the next exercise, right? Next exercise means when the heading will be subtraction of 2-digit number with borrow. In that exercise, you will perfectly understand about the how to borrow in subtraction, right? So students, let us start with the A. Okay, so first of all we are writing the places, tens and ones, right? Or else you can say ones and tens. Okay, so now students, on the ones place 2 minus 1 is given. 2 minus 1. Okay, now 1 2, or else you can start from here 1 2 1 2. 2 में से अगर हमने 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है ना, 2 में से अगर हमने 1 को कट कर दिया तो क्या बचा स्टूडेंट्स 1. ओके, इफ वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 1 फ्रॉम 2 में से 1 को हमने माइनस कर दिया, 1 and 2, 1 कट हो गया, so what is remaining here 1 only. Now on the tens place, okay, 6 and 4 are there, so 6 minus 4. What we have to do? We have to subtract 4 from the 6. अब 4 को 6 में से subtract करना है, 6 को 4 में से subtract नहीं करना है students. There is a very big difference. Okay, so 6 minus 4. Okay, so now 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 में से 4 को कट कर दो. So how much will remain? 1 2. राइट 1 2. 4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो 6 में से, तो 4 के बाद क्या आता है स्टूडेंट्स 5 एंड देन 6. सो 5 6 कितने हुए स्टूडेंट्स 2. तो 6 minus 4 is 2, राइट. सो our final answer is 21. Okay, now continue with the D. Tens and ones are given. Okay, so on the ones place 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Now students, 5 है, उसमें से हमें 2 कट करना है. सो गेस क्या आंसर आएगा, सोचो थोड़ा. यस 1 2 3 4 5. 5 में से अगर आप 2 माइनस करोगे तो 1 और 2 तो ऑलरेडी कट हो गया, अब काउंट कहां से करोगे? 3 से। 3 4 5 3 4 5 राइट। सो 3 4 5 को जब आप काउंट करते हो तो क्या होता है? 3 बचता है ना स्टूडेंट्स। 5 में से 2 को कट कर दोगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 3। ओके देखो 3 4 5 ऐसे काउंट करोगे तो क्या हो जाएंगे? 3 हो जाएंगे। ओके सो नाउ 9 minus 8 on the tens place 9 minus 8 is given. Okay so अब 9 में से 8 तो ऑलरेडी कट हो गया स्टूडेंट्स। 9 में से 8 कट हो गया तो 8 के बाद स्टूडेंट्स क्या आता है? 9 आता है। तो 9 में से 8 तो ऑलरेडी कट हो गया तो क्या बचा स्टूडेंट्स? ओनली 1। क्या बचेगा? व्हाट विल बी लेफ्ट? ओनली 1। 9 minus 8 करोगे so the answer will be 1. Okay students, for example if you are subtracting 6 from 7, 7 में से अगर 6 subtract करते हो तो 6 तो ऑलरेडी चला गया तो क्या बचा स्टूडेंट्स? ओनली 7। तो 7 है, एक ही नंबर है राइट। सो सेम वे 9 में से 8 तो ऑलरेडी कट हो गए सो व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग हियर? ओनली 1। ओके नाउ कंटिन्यूइंग विद द C. Okay so C, tens and ones are given right. On the ones place 7 minus 3, on the ones place 7 minus 3 right. So students use your fingers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 right. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। अब 7 में से 3 कट हो गया, 3 तक कट हो गया तो क्या बचेगा स्टूडेंट्स? 3 के बाद कौन कितने नंबर्स बचेंगे? 4 5 6 7 4 5 6 7। तो हाउ मच लेफ्ट? यस वेरी गुड 4। 7 में से 3 कट किया तो 4। ओके स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, आपको ऐसे डैश 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 ड्रॉ करके नहीं करना है, आपको लाइनिंग्स ड्रॉ करके माइनस नहीं करना है। यूज योर फिंगर्स। ओके नाउ 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 that is on the tens place. Tens place पे क्या है students? 4 minus 1. Now students 4 are there and we have subtracted 1. हमने 1 को subtract कर दिया right. So how much is remaining? 3. 1 2 3. Students 4 में से 1 चला गया, कट हो गया तो क्या क्या बच रहा है अब? 2 3 4 2 3 4। इफ यू आर काउंटिंग 2 3 4 है ना नंबर्स को 2 3 4 तो क्या बचते हैं? 3। इफ 4 में से आप 1 को सबट्रैक्ट करते हो तो 3 बचता है। स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन यूज एनी मेथड है ना, फिंगर्स वाला जो मैंने अभी आपको समझाया है वो आप दोनों में से कोई भी एक मेथड यूज कर सकते हो राइट। बट आपको लाइनिंग्स ड्रॉ करके सबट्रैक्ट नहीं करना है राइट। In the notebook you don't have to do that, plus in exams also don't do the linings and subtract. Okay, so here students we have completed A B C right. On the same page you have to continue with the D E and F right. As you can see here on the blackboard, D, E and F are there, right? So students on the one page, we are doing 6 sums. How many? 6 sums, right? In one exercise, we have 6 sums. Okay, so now let us continue with the D. Okay, so students, we have to use the same method. Okay, so now D, on the ones place, 8 minus 5 is there. On the ones place 8 minus 5 is there right. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। अब स्टूडेंट्स 8 में से 5 को माइनस करना है राइट। सो 8 minus 5 1 2 3 4 5। So how much is remaining? 1 2 3 are remaining right। 8 में से आपने 5 को माइनस कर दिया तो अब स्टूडेंट्स कौन से नंबर्स बच गए हैं? सोचो 6 7 8 6 7 8। तो 6 7 8 को जब आप काउंट करते हो सो दैट इज Right, it is very easy. What will remain here? 1. Okay, so the number remaining here is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Our final answer is 13. Now students, E. On the ones place, 9 minus 7 is there. On the ones place, 9 minus 7 is there. So now students, बहुत इजी है अगर आप जो दूसरा मेथड यूज करोगे. जैसे 9 है, सो 9 में से 7 तो ऑलरेडी कट हो गया, तो 7 के बाद क्या आता है? 8 और कहाँ तक है? 9. तो 8 9 बच गया. ओके, सो नाउ यू काउंट 8 एंड 9. 8 9 कितने हुए? 2 नंबर्स हुए ना. सो 9 minus 7 is 2. ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू ऐड 8 एंड 9. 8 9 कितने नंबर्स हैं? 2 नंबर्स हैं. ओके, सो 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, now tens place, 5 minus 1. On the tens place, 5 minus 1 is there, right? So now students, 5 minus 1. 5 है. If you are subtracting 1 from the 5, how many are remaining? Yes, 4. Okay, how much is left? 4. Students, remaining left. All these are the signs of subtraction. Okay, so ये जब सब words use होते हैं, remaining, left, so basically in this we have to subtract. Okay, so 9 minus 7 is 2 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So final answer is 42. 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, now the last one here, F. 6 minus 4. And on the tens place also, 6 minus 4 is there. Right students, as you can see here, ones place and tens place same numbers here, right? So, first of all, we will solve from the ones place, that is 6 minus 4. Okay, 6 minus 4. अब students 6 है, उसमें से 4 कट कर दो या निकाल दो. ओके, सो आफ्टर 4 हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर रिमेनिंग? यस, वेरी गुड. जिनको ये मेथड आ गया है उनके लिए बहुत इजी है. 5 एंड 6 कितने हुए? 2, राइट? सो 6 minus 4 is 2, right? You can use this method also. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 में से 4 कट हो गए. So how much are remaining? 1 2. 2 are remaining, right? So 6 minus 4 is 2. Students, now here 6 minus 4 is on the ones place and tens place also. 6 minus 4 is there. Yes, very good. जो बच्चे स्मार्ट हैं उनको पता चल गया. यहाँ पे भी क्या बच जाएगा? 2. Yes. So our answer will be 22. Okay, so 6 minus 4 is 2 and here also 6 minus 4 will be 2, right? Students, here we have completed our exercise 1. Okay, now we will continue with the exercise 2 in which we will be using the 0. Okay, and exercise 3 will be your homework, right? So, continue this on the next page. That is exercise number 2. You have to continue on the next page. Now students, on the new page, continue with the exercise 2, right? Heading will be the same. Subtraction of 2-digit number without borrow. Okay, so now we will starting with the A. Okay, so 10s and 1s are there. Okay, now in this exercise we will be using the number 0. हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे? 0 नंबर को यूज करेंगे, right? So on the ones place, 5 minus 0 is there. On the ones place, 5 minus 0 is there. Now students, I already made you understand that if you are subtracting 0 from any number, the number will be that number itself, है ना? जो आंसर आएगा, the answer will be that number itself. Okay, understand this. If you are subtracting 0 from any number, the answer will be that number itself. Okay, so see, 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0. Okay, now 0 is there. 0 means कुछ भी नहीं है. 5 को हमें 0 से minus करना है, right? So the answer will be that number itself. The answer will be that number itself. कौन सा नंबर है? 5. So answer will be 5 only. Right? Now students, continue with the tens place. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Okay, so now students, 3 are there. Okay, so you can do this method. 1, 2, 3. If we are subtracting 1 from the 3, so how much is remaining? This 1, 2, 3. 3 में से 1 को minus कर दो. So 1 and 2, right? So 3 minus 1 is 2, right? 3 minus 1 is 2. B. Now on the ones place, 7 minus 3 is there, right? So students, here the sum is 67 minus 3, right? On the tens place, nothing is there, right? Tens place पे 6 है and this नीचे यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. That means it is 0. क्या है? 0. Okay. So now starting from the ones place, 7 minus 3, right? Students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 में से हमने 3 को कट कर दिया. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 minus 3 is 4. You can use the other method also, right? That means 7 में से 3 को कट कर दिया. अब 3 के बाद कौन से नंबर्स बच गए? 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So the answer is 4. Now students, on the tens place, 6 minus nothing is there. So the number will be, the answer will be that number only. Okay, 6 minus 0. Nothing is given, that means it is 0. So the answer will be that number itself. That means 6. Right? Now continuing with the C. C से continue करें. Okay, so now on the ones place, 2 minus 1. Right? 2 है, 2 में से 1 को कट कर दो. So students, it's very easy. The answer will be 1. Then 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0. Now students, your 9 जो number है वो 0 से subtract हो रहा है. So students, the answer will be that number itself. मैंने आपको बताया था ना students, if any number is subtracting, for suppose here 9 is given, here the number is 9. If it is subtracting from 0, the answer will be that number itself. Okay, so the answer is 9 minus 0 is 9. Right? So the answer is 9 only. So our final answer is 91. Right? 92 minus 1 is 91. Okay. Continue the exercise with D, E and F. Here students, now we are continuing with the D, E and F. Right? So on the D, 23 minus 2 is given. Right? So from where we will start? We will start from the ones place. 3 minus 2. Right students? 3 minus 2. Yes. 3 में से 2 को कट कर लो. So how much will left? Yes, only 1. Right? 3 में से, if from 1 to 3 you are subtracting 2. So the number will left is 1. Okay. Now 2 minus nothing is given here, right? कोई भी नंबर नहीं है यहाँ पे. That means here we will assume 0 है. हम क्या assume करेंगे? यहाँ पे क्या है? 0. So 2 minus 0 will be 2. Okay. Now E. On the ones place, 9 minus 6 is there. So 9 minus 6. Okay. Now use this method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 में से 6 कट हो गए. So क्या बच जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? 1, 2, 3. क्या बचेगा? 3. Right? So 9 minus 6 is 3. And 5 minus 0. Right students? I made you understand that any number which is subtracted from 0, the answer will be that number itself. So 5 minus 0 is 5 only. Now, last one, F. Okay, 78 minus minus 40. Okay, so on the ones place 8 minus 0 is there. 8 minus 0. So now students, now 0 में से 8 को minus करना है. Okay, so the answer will be yes, very good, 8 only. The answer will be that number itself. So here the 8 is given. So answer will be 8. Now 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 में से 4 को कट कर दो. So students क्या बचेगा? 1, 2, 3. If you are subtracting 4 from 7, the answer will be yes, 3. Okay, you can use the other method also which I told you. That is 4 कट हो गया. So कौन से नंबर्स बचे? 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 5, 6, 7 क्या होते हैं? 3 बच जाते हैं ना. 5, 6, 7 काउंट करोगे ना. 5, 6, 7 तो 3 नंबर्स होते हैं. So 3. Right? So 78 minus 40 is 38. Okay. Now here students, we have completed our exercise 1 and 2. Okay, so exercise 1 and 2, that is subtraction of 2-digit number without borrow, and that is of part 1. Right? We will continue this same chapter in our next class with the part 2. Okay, have a nice day students.